Hello, guys. I have bought eight faulty Nintendo Switches and I paid £120 just for eight. That's a really good price. So that's equivalent to I think £15 per console. Yeah, granted, the condition of them aren't very good at all. As you can see in this one, it's scratched like crazy. But nevertheless, let's just crack on to them. This one, very scratched. There's no game in there. There's no SD card. There's no kickstand. The screws seem to be all intact. There's a bit of gooey stuff down there, so that's interesting. This is probably water damaged. Let's look under the port, see if we've got any pins missing or bent. And it's quite dirty in there. Actually, it's very dirty in there. Let's get a bit closer. What do we see? Oh, there you go. We have got a missing pin. Oh, it's been pushed back at the back there. So it could just be a charge port issue or M92 issue as well. So let's get into it. Very dusty. Very dusty. I don't think this has been a part then. Yeah, it's very, very dusty. Let's check the voltage of the battery anyway. Could be a nice easy fix. See what volts we get. And it is depleted. That is dead as a dodo. Let's strip it down and let's get this port changed. While we're down to the board level, let's get rid of all this dust. Jeez, it's caked in it. Yeah, let's check around for any shorts like around the M92 because usually when there's a shorted pin, it can blow the M92 as well. Got my multimeter set on ohms to check the resistance. Actually, no, let's go to continuity. See if anything is shorted to ground. Okay, the CPU cap is fine. It's not beeping twice. You guys probably can't hear the beep. Right, so I found a short, and it could be the M92 that's the issue. But it could be there because of the port still. And I think it was this one here. No, this one, this tiny little cap down here. You've got, there you go, like 18 ohms, 16, 8 ohms, there you go, 7. It's very low. And on the other side should be ground. See, it's ground, 0 ohms. So that's ground. But this one is 6 ohms now. So yeah, there you go, 6.7 ohms. But that could be due to the charge port being shorted or where that pin's pushed back to the back. So let's get that port off and then we'll check for the shorts after. Airflow set to 8 out of 8 and temperature set to 440 degrees Celsius. Is that a torn pad I can see? Yeah, you can see there's a couple of ripped pads there, look. Three actually. Four. I think we should clean it up and have a look, see how bad it is. So it looks like we have to do a few trace repairs. So let me just put some more solder onto these. Reason being is we get a clearer view on what needs repairing and what doesn't. Yeah, I'm not sure about the trace here, this pad. I don't know if that's ground or is that connected to a via. I'm not sure. We're gonna still add a little bit of wire onto that anyway, just to be careful. So we need to scrape back this one a bit. Lovely. We are in ohms. No, continuity. Let's see. Yep, the short's now gone. It's not beeping anymore. Look, you're not getting any reading that side. Go into ohms mode. We've got 20, 18, 16 mega ohms, 15, 13, 12. Lovely. And the other side's ground. So let's get this port on then. Let's test to see if we're getting a reading both ways. We do on this side. That should go back down to 0. We're getting 15 volts to 1, 0. There you go. And now the other side. Yes, we do. So the trace repair worked. Let's have a look. Do we get a display? 13, that's good. Yes, we do. There you go. I'll come back to you. Actually, I'll put everything together and then we'll give it a test. It's now on 680 milliamps, so I think it's booted up. Yes, it is. Brilliant. Touchscreen works. There's no sound. Yeah, there is sound. It's on 2%. Oh, not a very well used switch, is it? Okay. See if the internet works. It's really hard to see the display. Yep. Oh, it's a bit weird. Screen is very sensitive. Now the Joy-Con. Okay, that's good. This side? No. Why? Oh, no. This Joy-Con rail's not working. Maybe it needs a couple of goes. No. Damn it. What about if we clean the Joy-Con rail? Right, has that helped? No. Damn it. Why is that Joy-Con rail not working? So under the microscope, we can see the pins sort of. They look very discolored. I don't know if that's a pin missing in there as well. Can't really get the angle on it correctly. Don't know if there's a pin missing. Oh, very gooey. Very, very. Oh no. Why is it so gooey? there any way into this? Is it supposed to be that wobbly? I want to get this cable out without damaging it. Looks like it should just slide out there. There you go. Lovely. Alright, let's have a look at this. So there's a metal pin that goes across it. Ah, this might be repairable, you know? So there's a metal pin there. So let's see if we get this pin out. The only issue is it's probably not going to come through because, oh, well, I think I damaged it now. Yeah, damn it. Oh, there you go. The pin's through now. I think I damaged the plastic. Yeah, I have where the pin goes through. Damn it. The state of these pins. Very, very clogged and dirty. Look at that. What's that on my nail? Ugh. So yeah, it's very dirty this side. So it wasn't making a connection. But also at the back here, gooey all there as well. Oh, and a bit of water damage down here. Let's just scrub it and see if we can get it to work. I don't know how I'm gonna. Would that be an issue if this bit's broken? Could always super glue it. Let's see if this has sorted it then. No idea if it has or not, but it's worth a go. Goes in that way, doesn't it? Yeah. The pin goes through here. There we go. Screen. Let me fully test the screen. No, we got a dead spot. There you go. So this is no good neither. But at least we know it's fully working, apart from the dead spot. But yeah, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and once again subscribe. It motivates me to do more of these videos. Yeah, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.